Okay, Cully. Come on. Come walk in the snow. Okay, Pooh? This is a big snowstorm, right? December 27th, 2010. Hey, you're supposed to be in the camera. No, you can't grab the camera, sweetie. Come on. You got your gloves on, okay? Come on, look at that car is buried in. Look at that. Those cars are buried in. Look at you. Want to go walk in the snow? Yeah, it's cold out here. December 27th, 2010, we got a snowstorm in the Bronx. Right, sweetie? Yeah. What's over there? What's over there? Let me see. Go kick the snow. What is that? He's shoveling. He's shoveling. Oh, be careful. Wow. Be careful. Look at the snow.
Ooh.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, beautiful. The camera's gonna freeze pretty soon. The camera's gonna freeze, Cully. I only got a couple more minutes left. Right? You wanna go jump on the snow? You wanna kick it? Yeah. You wanna help him shovel? He could use some help shoveling. He's gonna shovel that car out. Yeah, it's cold out here. Okay, wanna go inside? Okay, Pooh.